User engagement with social media. Now, this is me stretching SEO a little bit because your website is your website and you will have done all of your optimization there. But if you are not utilizing social media, then again, you're missing a trick. You got a Facebook account, maybe you're part of Facebook pages or groups. Be very careful about spamming. You want to gain trust before you start sharing content. You got a Twitter one. Well, you can just start sharing posts all day long if you want. You got Insta and LinkedIn as well. Build up a reputation whereby people start to trust what you say. They believe and understand and they know that you know what you're talking about. And then you can start to share your blog post or a video you've recorded, or maybe you're working on a website, or you've discovered a solution to a problem, or maybe you've just found a problem and you're going to look deeper into it. Start to share your journey. But if you just have a website and you've gone and shared your Facebook link and your Twitter link and all of that, and a user goes to your website, oh, they've got a Twitter profile. They click on, and by the way, I'm using the word Twitter a lot within these videos. Yes, I know it is X, but it's still Twitter in a lot of our heads. But let's say you now go to the X profile, and the last post that person did was 2 years ago, and it was like, hi, I'm now on Twitter. So what was the point of you sharing the X Twitter X profile? What about your LinkedIn? They click there. When was the last time you posted there? You got a Facebook group and a Facebook post. When did you last share on there? And if you're not sharing, is that because you're not doing? You have nothing good to share? You have no good reviews? Nothing to back up your reputation? In fact, the image on your website, because you built a website, or maybe you're a photographer, or maybe you built a house, that image on your website is the same image that you posted 4 years ago. So what have you done in the last 4 years? Can you see how it can affect and hinder the trust in your website? So yes, you've done all your SEO, but SEO isn't just about waiting for people to find you on Google. It's about people finding you on social media as well. And they're going to click, they will go. Google will see that they clicked a social media link. They came to your website. They stuck around a bit. They must like them. Up you go in the search rankings.